No, Your Honor.
Mr. Owens, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do.
So in this case, he also has a 2025 CR 010902. What is happening with that case?
TIC.
It's not written in the plea agreement.
Did you put that in with it? Take this into consideration.
No, okay. No, okay, so we discussed this on this meeting.
Oh, yeah, okay.
The other drug case will be taken into consideration. What's that? So there was a misunderstanding.
I know it's going to TIC.
Mr. Garcia,
You said?
we are pleading on the one, the state is offers to plead on the one. Jake's at the evading and TIC, the lesson of learned that arises out of that incident.
We didn't say that earlier.
No, I did, and I wrote it in the file as well.
Okay. I don't know. They're going to TIC it later.
Judge, the misdemeanor is set tomorrow, so once that plea goes, I have the dismissal ready. It's just been done.
Okay. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 010901, State versus Daryl Owens. Could I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
And Richard Garcia for the defense.
And are you Mr. Owens?
ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I did, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Owens, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, state moves to waive the enhancement allegation.
No objections to that.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 to 4 grams. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Owens, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? You're gonna have to speak up.
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
ma'am.
If you're not a citizen, you will be deported, not allowed re-entry, and denied naturalization. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 3 years in the prison. There's a $1,000 fine. There are no
Notice how the judge mentions the term concurrent? That's crucial. It means this sentence will run at the same time as another one, not after it. For the defendant, that's a small mercy, fewer total years behind bars. But it also tells us this isn't his first case, so the stakes here are personal and heavy.
applications. This is to run concurrent with 2025 CC 007863. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense,
Yes, Your Honor.
state?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing it, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Excuse me, just 1 second. Deputies, could you all have them move? We're back on the record. Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, ma'am.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor, state offers states exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, state you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the
And just like that, guilty. No objections, no outbursts, no appeals. It's quiet, maybe too quiet. But silence in a courtroom can be deafening, especially when it's the sound of a life being sealed by a single word: guilty. Makes you wonder, how many people truly grasped the finality of that moment?
same. The court is finding there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor, we are.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We just ask that you follow the plea bargain.
All right, the court will sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's $1,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. This will run concurrent with 2025 CC 007868, and the court will recommend the therapeutic community. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, off the record. So the 902 case, when is that going to?
We're scheduled tomorrow for the County Court 5 misdemeanor case, Judge,
Okay.
which should be a time served, judgment satisfied. And at that time, they'll dismiss.
All right, Norma, recall the 902 case for 1016. And if that's already been done, then he won't be brought over.
Gotcha.
All right, do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, so here's the thing. If you don't get your life together, how old are you?
60.
All right, you're 60. You have more of your life behind you than in front of you. I can say that because I'm in the same boat. Unless you're
Okay.
planning on living 120.
This is where the courtroom becomes more than law. It becomes human. The judge isn't lecturing, she's leveling with him. Two people, same reality, time doesn't wait. It's a rare moment of empathy in a place usually ruled by procedure. It's less about punishment now and more about redemption.
Okay, Richard, and I know your age, so we're both, all three of us. And wait a minute, let me see who else is here. I'm gonna call out names. Doug Campbell, you, Ernest, Mick, Louis, Norma. Yes, we all have more of our life behind us than in front of us. Unless we're,
Ready on French.
who else?
Ready on French. Ready on French.
All right, and so Ted Wood. All right, so you're gonna have to change your ways. Otherwise, you're gonna spend the rest of the life that you have on the planet in prison. You understand?
Yes, ma'am. Can I say something?
Sure.
Only problem I downslide as I just lost my mouth.
Well, here's the thing. When you think you're gonna downslide, that's when you go get help. You can't keep that to yourself, all right? All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
This is for you. That's, I'm telling you, you have a. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.